overwhelmed with where to start. Okay. That's common with new investors, overwhelmed with where to start. Listen, find yourself a community. It doesn't matter if it's paid or not. There are a million Facebook groups. Okay. Some are better than others. It shouldn't take you long. Go in, read a bunch of posts. If you have any discernment at all, you'll figure it out pretty quick. But go in, watch some YouTube videos, find something that appeals to you. When I got started, I looked at everything. I didn't know what any of these terms were. I'm telling you, you talk about a newbie. I was, the only thing I knew about real estate at the time, I think I had bought 3 homes, personal residences, and all I knew was that qualifying for a loan was a miserable process. And I showed up at an attorney's office at the end of it all. I wrote a check and I signed a stack of paper this thick that I couldn't read anything. He just said, sign here, sign here, sign here. And I just suspected that if I said, hey, I want to read this stuff, I would have gotten some disapproving looks. So I signed all the paperwork and I had a house, and that's how it worked. So I knew absolutely nothing about how financing worked, especially creative finance. But I just, I took that course and I got started. And I'll tell you my advice to you today: learn a little bit about everything. Learn what's wholesaling. How does that work? You're going to learn that wholesaling is transactional. You get a payday, and then you got to be working on the next one. Okay. But I knew I wanted to replace my job. I wanted cash flow, but I didn't want to be a landlord. I didn't want people calling me day and night if something went wrong, the air conditioner broke, something like that. So what can I do? So I quickly settled on that I wanted to do something like owner financing, where you just create the paper, you get the down payments, you get the cash flow, and that's what we settled on. To start with, learn what you think it is you want to do, and then just start having conversations with sellers. Just get on the phone with them, talk to them about their house, go look at some houses. You'll feel like later maybe it was a waste of time, but it's really not when you're getting started. Get a feel for the area that you're going to be working in, know values, meet some people, go to an investor club. You don't have to shoot out of the gate and buy a house. Learn, get the lay of the land, see what's going on, meet some people, talk to a bunch of people, and then get a focus on what it is that you might want to do.